Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Online Business Entrepreneur. In this video, we're gonna see how to make $100 to $500 a day by simple steps. We're gonna see how to make $500 a day or $100 a day by using this simple method. In this video, we're gonna talk about the three steps to make a $500 a day. First, you're gonna need to subscribe to my channel. Second, I'm gonna show how people make $1,000 with the simple step I will show you now. And people are killing with this strategy and making even more money. It's kind of a good money. This is apply for all the niches, all the strategy. Do you think is to more applicable for new strategy? Make an even more great and put it to your work and make even more great, or put an advertisement or anything to else kind. You make more money with this strategy. I show this is a simple strategy, first a copy and paste, like copy and paste strategy, but it's more reliable and easy way to make. If you wait or watch until the end, I will show little hack to boost your income, to earn even more income day by day. Guys, let's dive into video. Then I invite to subscribe to my channel, and I post daily video how to make money online, and mentorship and passive income ideas and active income ideas, and even more how to make a money by the end of the year to make good amount of money. Guys, please subscribe now and share with your friends and like and comment below. Let's dive into the first. We're gonna see the website to make the money in online. First, the website called Tube Arsenal, tubearsenal.com, custom intro for YouTube. Okay, guys, this video is all about we gonna create a intro for small YouTube channel, not a big YouTube channel. For small YouTube channel, to give the intro to make even more money with this channel. You ask me why I put a Fiverr gig for this. Fiverr gigs take a lot of time. It's not a $5 thing. If you create a good intro, to go to YouTube and search for some kind of channel and make even more money with contacting the channel and approaching them. Hey, I'm creating a good intro for you. Your intro sucks. Please kinda help to me. I create a good intro for you. Let's ask you. They like your approach. They will reply to me and give a money to pay. At least you make $100 a day. With more approach, you can make even more money. Let's dive the video. First, you're gonna need the Tube Arsenal website. This website is basically all about the intro thumbnail. Did you see the gaming intros? All the templates are free. Just you need to create an account and download and put it your some kind of idea to make even more get and uploads all anything. Set template, click on custom now to make even more. Easiest way to make. Click the custom now and wait for seconds and it's come. It's already giving an instruction how to make a thumbnail. First, you make a text right here. For example, I make a gaming now. Sorry, guys. Gaming now. Press enter. Next title card. So, for example, game on. Game on. Let's put in a green color. uh, game on. Yes, enter. Next, click the preview button. Next, and click a slider and adjust your grid and preview movie. Click you and watch. Wait it for render. And final step, once you have made all your change and happy with the result, this click this button to buy, or if you want no watermark to buy, or if you want a watermark with this company name. You also, I give a little hack to how to remove this watermark to make even more thumbnail better. Wait until the end of the video, I give a little hack. I told you early. Wait this video, I give how to remove the watermark as Tube Central. Let's wait for guys. Sorry guys. Okay, let's dive how this goods work. It's all about this. Easiest, lots of template here, and you make a good intros with this thumbnail or intro or outro, anything you can make with this. It's the easiest way to make money, like a flipping over the template. Who wants you template? Do you guys ask me how I get a traffic, how to approach people to make? First you're gonna need to go youtube.com, let's search gaming, and you find lots of search result, and then go filters and click channels. Then you get lots of channels. Don't approach this kind of channel 82 million, 213k, 4.8 million, 2 million. Just approach this type of gaming channel guys. Blazes Gaming YT. This channel is making a intro for the channel. You making good intro for the channel to charge the time and effort to this approach to that channel. Oh, this channel is the great example. 1.9k subscribers. It's a good growing channel. Beatless Gaming. Approach this channel and approach this kind of channel. I'm only telling guys, approach between 1k to 50k or 40k, not approach 100k or even more million. Don't approach this kind of channel. Only approach between 1k to 50k or 40k. That's kind of channel is this kind of channel is actually paid to create a intro. This is easiest way to make guys. Lots of gaming channel in the world around with the 1k or 14k subscribers easily make the Lego gaming. You usually come this website and search it for Lego maker or anything, and easily get a template and make a good amount of money with this. Easiest way to make money. Now guys, the hack time now will appear. As I told earlier, I give a little hack to boost your income. The first hack I gonna say as earlier, how to remove the trademark of this website. First you're gonna need customize any of these intros. Easily just type anything. Just type, for example guys, you just type correctly and get good quality. Get next, choose audio. Next, download this template software record. First you need to download a software. For this guys, pause this. Download. As told as guys, sign in and get download it and go whatever your software and import that, and the trademark is appearing right over here guys, or in anywhere else. You just blur out the trademark and put over any kind of related to this template. For example, this template all background white. Do you guys see? All no transaction around this corner anywhere else, just all white and black. You just blur out the white, the kind of seconds you blur. With the seconds you blur a light brown, and after the seconds you blur with the white. Is the easiest way to make intro guys. Just to think how I got put a blur and replace with the white. Just get more template and make even more money with this strategy guys. It's a good way to strategy. I personally make money with this strategy, but I think it's get a lots of time input, but it's a worth for time input, and it's get lots of disapproval because all channels are knowing, but some kind of channel are didn't know. You approach that type of channel and get paid, but it's the easiest way to. Once you approve, you can make good amount of money with this. It's the easiest way to make money guys. Don't be afraid this method. You easily make with this method, but it gets a quite amount of time, not one day or 2 day. Approach all of this gaming channel and create more like a template intro and send to them whichever they like. They give a amount, easily make $100 to $500 with this strategy guys. I hope you all enjoy this video. As I told you guys, this strategy is good for anything, applicable for any strategy or any niche. Don't be afraid guys, it's applicable for any kind of niche. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope this video helps you to make money. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, share your friends, like and comment below. I see you next video guys. Thanks for watching. Peace. Make money online.